Everybody is looking for insightful tips and advice on finance. Your search ends here. Welcome to your new favorite finance channel. Here we bring you a mix of everything you need, from investment tips and financial advice to strategies that will make managing money a breeze. Whether you're into investing, saving, or learning new financial strategies, we've got it all. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Don't miss out on the insights. New videos are just around the corner. Thanks for watching and get ready to be financially empowered.
Imagine a business that practically runs itself. You're not constantly putting out fires or working around the clock. Instead, you have the freedom to travel, pursue other passions, or simply enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is the power of building a business that doesn't need you to function. It's not about abandoning your business. It's about creating a sustainable system that thrives even when you're not there. Most small business owners are deeply involved in every aspect of their operations. They're the salesperson, the marketer, the customer service representative, and everything in between. The key to breaking free from this cycle is to design your business from the ground up with systems and processes that can be replicated and managed by others. By creating clear and concise procedures, you empower your team to handle the day-to-day tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic decisions and growth opportunities. Ultimately, building a business that runs itself is about creating a valuable asset that can operate independently of your direct involvement. Imagine walking into a fast food restaurant. You know exactly what to expect. The menu is consistent, the ordering process is streamlined, and the food preparation follows a standardized recipe. This level of predictability is no accident. It's the result of meticulously designed systems and processes. Just like a well-oiled machine, a business needs clearly defined systems to operate smoothly. These systems act as the backbone of your operations, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and scalability. Start by documenting your core processes. Create step-by-step guides, checklists, or even flowcharts to document each task. The goal is to make these processes so clear and concise that anyone, regardless of their experience, can follow them and achieve consistent results. Regularly review and refine your systems to ensure they remain efficient and relevant to your current needs. Building a self-sustaining business requires more than just efficient systems. It demands a strong and capable team. Delegation is not simply about offloading tasks, it's about empowering your team to take ownership and make decisions. Identify the tasks that are essential to your business but don't necessarily require your direct involvement. Once you've identified potential areas for delegation, it's time to assemble your A-team. Look for individuals who are reliable, skilled, and proactive. When delegating tasks, provide clear instructions, set realistic expectations, and offer ongoing support and guidance. Don't micromanage. Trust your team to handle the responsibilities you've assigned to them. Remember, building a strong team is an investment in the future of your business. By surrounding yourself with talented and dedicated individuals, you create a foundation for growth and sustainability. Letting go is often the most challenging aspect of building a self-running business. As entrepreneurs, we're naturally inclined to be hands-on and involved in every decision. However, to truly achieve freedom and scalability, we must learn to delegate effectively. One of the biggest obstacles to delegation is the fear of losing control. We worry that others won't do the job as well as we can, or that they'll make costly mistakes. The key to effective delegation is to shift our mindset from "I have to do it all" to "How can I empower others to contribute?" Start small by delegating low-risk tasks. Communicate clearly, set boundaries, and offer support. Recognize and reward your team's contributions. By empowering your team, you create a more efficient, productive, and ultimately more valuable business. The concept of a self-running business is not just a theoretical ideal, it's a reality for many successful entrepreneurs. Let's explore a few real-life examples of businesses that thrive even when the owner is not directly involved. Imagine an online store that generates revenue with minimal owner involvement. The key is automation. By leveraging e-commerce platforms, automated email marketing, and outsourced fulfillment centers, entrepreneurs have created online businesses that practically run themselves. Franchising is a classic example of a business designed for scalability and hands-off ownership. The franchisor creates a proven business model, systems, and processes, which are then replicated by franchisees. Subscription box services offer a predictable revenue stream and lend themselves well to automation. In today's digital age, automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for any business looking to streamline operations and free up valuable time. From marketing automation to accounting software, countless tools can help you automate repetitive tasks and focus on what matters most. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit allow you to create automated email sequences that nurture leads and promote your products. Social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite enable you to plan and schedule your posts in advance. A CRM system is essential for managing customer interactions and automating sales processes. Platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot help you track leads, manage communications, and gain insights into customer behavior. Tools like Asana or Trello streamline project workflows and improve team collaboration. Embracing automation frees up time, reduces human error, and creates a more efficient business. Building a self-running business isn't just about systems and automation, it's also about creating a loyal customer base that fuels your growth. Customer intimacy, the art of building deep and meaningful relationships with your customers, is essential for long-term success. When customers feel valued and understood, they're more likely to become repeat buyers and brand advocates. Here are a few tips for building customer intimacy. Use data to understand your customers' preferences and tailor your communications and offerings accordingly. Make it easy for customers to contact you and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Train your team to handle inquiries with empathy and professionalism. Create a sense of community around your brand by engaging with customers on social media, hosting events, or creating a customer forum. By focusing on customer intimacy, you can create a loyal following that will sustain your business for years to come. A self-running business should not only operate smoothly without your constant supervision, but also generate consistent profits that provide you with financial freedom. This requires careful financial planning and a focus on building a sustainable business model. Ensure that your pricing strategy is aligned with your target market and allows for healthy profit margins. Regularly review your pricing to ensure you're staying competitive while maintaining profitability. Keep a close eye on your expenses and look for ways to reduce costs without sacrificing quality. Maintain a healthy cash flow by invoicing promptly, following up on late payments, and managing your inventory effectively. Consider using cash flow forecasting tools to anticipate potential shortfalls and make informed financial decisions. Explore opportunities to diversify your revenue streams beyond your core offerings. By focusing on profitability and financial sustainability, you create a business that not only runs itself, but also provides you with the financial security to enjoy the freedom you've worked so hard to achieve. Building a self-running business is often seen as the ultimate form of freedom, but it's important to consider your long-term exit strategy. Whether you plan to sell your business, pass it on to family members, or simply close it down one day, having a plan in place is essential. If you plan to pass your business on to family members or key employees, start planning for succession early. Identify potential successors, provide them with the necessary training and mentoring, and gradually transition responsibilities to them. Understanding the value of your business is crucial if you plan to sell it in the future. Factors that influence business valuation include profitability, revenue growth, customer loyalty, and the strength of your systems and processes. If you're considering selling your business, start preparing at least a year in advance. By planning for the future of your business, you ensure that your hard work and dedication will continue to pay off even after you're no longer directly involved. The journey of building a self-running business is not without its challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine having the time and freedom to pursue other passions, reduce stress, and focus on strategic growth. Letting go of the need to control every aspect of your business can significantly reduce stress and create a sense of peace of mind. With the day-to-day operations running smoothly, you can focus on high-level tasks, such as developing new products or services, exploring new markets, or simply enjoying the fruits of your labor. Building a self-running business is not just about creating a valuable asset, it's about designing a life of freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. Building a business that runs itself is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly striving to improve your systems, empower your team, and create a business that can thrive even without your constant involvement. Start by identifying one area of your business where you can implement a system or delegate a task. Document the process, train your team, and then step back and trust them to handle it. As you become more comfortable with delegation and automation, you can gradually expand these principles to other areas of your business. Remember, building a self-running business is an ongoing process. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace change. Take the first step today and start building the business of your dreams, a business that sets you free.